Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Ngasi CHATHAKKHIBA section da TONGAN-TONGANBA Bill Taruk Yetnaba Amatta Yaodana House na pass Toukhre. Assembly section ki Ngasi Nungthil CHATHAKKHIBA section da business list ki agenda number 6 da yawa TONGAN-TONGANBA bill singi consideration and passing of government bills move taunaba speaker na mari leinaba minister singi pukning chingsin ki. Agenda sigi ahanba bill oiriba the Manipur Names of Places Bill 2024 Bill number 4 of 2024 ase khananaba land resources ke char supuriba Chief Minister N Birena move tawrakhi. Bill ase move tawgi maru oiba wafam sing paladuna House ke leader su oiriba Chief Minister N Birena hai puwarida mayek sing na leiraba amade Ipa-ipu sing na chahi lising kayagi mamangdagi thamlamlaba lanthum ngak senba haibase aikhoigi thodangni. Laibagtibadi ipa-ipu sing na thamlamba lanthum ngasigi mirol na ngak senbagi mahut totsin yansin naraga manghanbagi fibam amada lakli. Khul singgi maming ase mari leinaba department ki ayaba yaudana. Aning apamba mawongda maming pangthonda thonjinbagi chatnabi ama urakli. Khudam oina kangpokpibu, kangui, chorachanpurna lamka, Tangzing Chingna Haukib Reserve Forest amadi Imphal gi tongan-tonganba mafam sing dasu aning apamba mawongda khulkayagi maming thonjilakli. Masida sunatana tha kharagi mamangda Imphal gi Bertiken Rizit International Airport ke laifam ase lamka haijilakpa amadi Assam Rifles ke official letterhead ta lamka district haina irakpa thengnaki. Lamdam ase mapu pandabagi mawongda ipa-ipu sing na tholamba lam singgi maming ase aning apamba mawongda onthorakpa haibase yamna laibak thibani. Fibam asida adumak chatharabadi Manipur, Maitai amadi Naga hairiba mingsing asimaksu mangkhiba yai. Maramaduna state government na recognize tawdaba lamgi maming sing kakre makatana asigumba thawong ase chatharaklabadi action lokhatnaba bill ase puthokpani kanagumba sing na mari leinaba authority ge ayaba yaudana aning apamba mongda lam singge maming nauna thonjilamba thoklabadi chahi amadagi ahum fawba jailda leibata natana lupa lakh amadagi lakh ahum fawba penalty oina thihangani haina Chief Minister N Birena makhata ki. Amaromda the Manipur Goods and Service Tax 6th Amendment Bill 2024, Bill number 7 of 2024 amadi the Manipur Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management 5th Amendment Bill 2024, Bill number 8 of 2024 ase Finance ke char su puriba Chief Minister N Birena consideration ke damak move tawrakhi. Loinana Mahut Minister Y Khemchana the Manipur Municipalities 11th Amendment Bill 2024, Bill number 1 of 2024, Labor and Employment Minister H. Dingona, the Manipur Labor Laws, Exemption from Renewal of Registration and License by Establishment, Bill 2024, Bill number 6 of 2024, amadi Education Minister T.H. Basanta Kumarna, the Manipur Prevention of Malpractice in High School Living Certificate and Higher Secondary Examination Bill 2024, Bill number 5 of 2024 ase pass tawnabage move tawrakhi. Hairiba bill sing ase mari leinaba minister sing na move tawraklaba matung House na Yetnaba Amatta Yaodana pass tawki.